Alright people, this is Mosha again, coming to you from Mosha Reggae Lounge. We have the queue in the house. They always come here, always look out for them. They came yesterday, ate, love the Rastaman fish in a reggae sauce with me personally make. So they come back and bring the rest of the crew. This is my boy, he always come here, say, yo, big up the queue.
Outstanding food.
Tell him, big.
I'll get some of this food, it's fantastic.
There you go. And this guy, I think it's his
Always
first time.
good.
First time. Respect to the maximum to the queue. And the queue dog over there. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, I am. Rastaman vibration. And you, this is the first time tasting the food, right?
Yeah.
How you like the fish?
Great, man.
Listen, this is how I like to do it. I like to do it when the people are eating, so you know we're real. So watch this. You see the queues? The queues spend a lot of money everywhere they go. So when they go nowhere, you guys see them, listen, respect them and take care of them.
Hey, man.
I'll tell you something. This is one organization. If they form shit together right, we can form our own freaking community. We don't need America. We don't need nobody. These people are strong people. And I respect them. I always love to cook for them. Best of love, guys. Enjoy the food. And this one, oh, you don't want to be up. And he had yesterday, he had the brown stew fish, the brown stew chicken. And he said he ain't changing. But today, he changed. What made you change today to the fish? Tell him about the MOSHA'S Reggae Lounge fish.
Excellent.
You see that?
Nice and moist.
Okay, you see that? That's the fish. Jerk chicken. Okay, guys. So boom shaka attack. Mosha out again.